What's up, everybody, unboxing fans? I'm pretty sure you know what this is. This shipped from Schenectady, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. It's got Fragile written all over it. As always, thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help support my channel, or go to rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. I do collect action figures. I do find good deals for family and friends as well. So we got some Championship Showdown figure sets. This is The Fiend, Bray Wyatt, and Daniel Bryan. This is series number 3. So this is what the back looks like. It's got figure stands as well. We've got Championship Showdown featuring The Rock. This is series number 2 and Triple H. And next up, from series number 2, we've got Randy Orton and John Cena. Last, but certainly not least, in this unboxing, more bubble wrap. We've got from Series 3, Kane and Edge. Very cool. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. I really, truly wish you the best. And check out some of my other videos. These are Mattel action figures, Championship Showdown from WWE.